Hi everybody, this is Teresa. Hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial that that's Black History Month meets Valentine's Day. So I came with this cute girly Valentine's Day pink look. Little Glinda from Wicked look a little bit. So this is it. So I'm going to copy this eye look into here, and the Black History Month, it's because I'm using almost, except for the mascara, which is this Maybelline, the new like diamond mascara. I don't care, I'll do it right now. Everything else, it's all a black owned makeup company. Like Juvia's Place is the eyeshadow palette and the blush duo, and then the lips are Fenty Beauty. We get started turn. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so for my eyes, by the way, put this on before I got on camera. So this is Juvia's Place Blush Rouge, and let's see, volume 4. It's a popular one. Before it was hard to get, and finally got it. So this is what it looks like. So I took a slanted angled blush brush from e.l.f. So I put the darker shade on this slanted area, and then the lighter shade on this flat tip, and I just went like I aimed it more like, not apples or cheeks, a little bit more like here. Okay, now I'm ready for the eye look. So this is Juvia's Place, the blushed rose. So it's impromptu that I come up with before I got on camera. So this pink shade right over here, in the crease. I use this handy Essence blending brush. You can put any, prior to eyeshadow, you can put whatever primer you want. It's up to you. I decided not to put any primer. Concealer or whatever. Okay, shows up. Okay, the next thing I'm planning to do, I took this, I'm trying to think. I took this, like, this golden shade, like golden bronzy shade right over here. I'm going to put it on the lid with my favorite flat shader brush from Wet n Wild. So I'm going to dab it like this. Oh, it's okay. I guess my mascara is a little too wet, so. It's all right. Okay. Okay, I think that's more than enough for my taste. Then I'm going to take a crease brush, and I'm trying to remember which one went. Okay, this like fuchsia berry color right over here. I plan to put it on the outer corner right here. I use this old crease brush I got in Target. I forgot what the name of the brand was. I think I'm not sure it's on your cash. I don't remember, a long time ago. So it's me well. So I'm going to put in the outer corner. Deep enough like pink. It's okay. Okay. Yep. Okay. Then I'm going to take this some pencil brush right over here. I'm going to take the darkest shade right over here. So what I'm going to do is plan to put it, I'm trying to remember how to, so I'm going to put it in an angle like this first and foremost, and then put it up a little bit to deepen up that outer corner, not too high. Look all funky. And then I'm going to take that same I'm going to line like this. Okay. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shade right over here, down there. Here, this one, this other shimmery one, frosty one. I'm going to put it in the inner corner, inner bottom corner, right here. I feel like taking, it's good. Okay, I'm going to take the opposite side of the flat shader brush with that same sparkly color down here. And I'm going to put it in the inner corner, inner upper corner right up here. Like 1/4 of my inner corner right here. Okay, I already put the sparkly. I'm going to put the mascara one more time, the diamond, the new diamond mascara from Maybelline, the Sky High one. Ooh, look at that. Very Glinda. I might put more of that on. Okay. And then, and to finish the look, this is Fenty Beauty's cream lip gloss. It's in Cupcake, and that's the lips right there. And there you have it. Okay, before I go, I just want to congratulate. I don't remember, you know, if I repeat this again, I'm so sorry, forgive me. But, hey, congratulations to Philadelphia Eagles for their win of the Super Bowl. Oh, one more thing that I forgot to do on my brow bone. I took the lighter shade of this blush rouge in volume 4. I took, I forgot. Good thing I remembered. So I just put on my brown bone and it's, there you go. Okay, congratulations, Philadelphia Eagles, for winning this year's Super Bowl. And then that's about it. Till my next video, whenever that is. Peace out. Bye.